I heard of a story. There was two men and a tiger. Somebody saw a tiger running. There were two friends in the wild, and they were running, and they found a tiger coming at them. One of the guys said, he just started pulling his laces up. The other asked him, why are you running? Why are you tying your laces? Do you know how fast the tiger runs? So I know how fast the tiger runs, but here I only have to outrun you. That's it. And this is what has been happening. And when we talk about entrepreneurship, the only thing I understood about entrepreneurship before I venture now into becoming an entrepreneur is that entrepreneurs use other people's money, and to an extent now they use other people's brains. So again, lateral thinking is important. Where you're digging, maybe you find water here about 200 feet. So the challenge is to come out and dig somewhere where you will find water 2 feet. And that's a challenge. To come out and leave things is always a challenge. Again, a story. A pupil asks his teacher, "Teacher, I want to know the difference between wish and want." And the teacher did not answer. The teacher takes him to a river, and finally, the pupil, by the time it reaches a level where it's just about to drown, the teacher pushes the pupil in water, and after some time the pupil just gasps and starts struggling because the teacher is pushing the student down. After some time, just when the teacher thinks that if he'll not leave, the pupil will die, teacher leaves, and suddenly the pupil comes out. And after the pupil catches the breath, the teacher asks, "What was it that you wanted when you were inside?" And the teacher said, "Breath." The student said, "Breath." And the teacher said, "If you had wished for breath inside, you would have died. You struggled, and and that's why you're alive." That is the difference between wishing and wanting. It's very important. McDonald's, the founder, he said, "I believe in God, in the family, in McDonald's, but at work this order is reversed."